Energy protection and psychic self-defense are essential for anyone on a spiritual path, especially for those who are considered chosen ones. This might seem like an abstract concept, but it is crucial for your spiritual and mental well-being. Imagine you are surrounded by a force field that keeps you safe from negative influences. Without this protection, you leave yourself vulnerable to unseen forces that can drain your energy, cause stress, and disturb your peace. Just like you would protect your physical body from harm, it's equally important to shield your spiritual energy. Mastering these techniques can significantly transform your life by ensuring you remain balanced, peaceful, and strong in the face of any challenges. The consequences of not protecting your energy can be severe. When your energy is unprotected, you may experience fatigue, stress, and a sense of being overwhelmed. Negative energies from people or environments can easily latch onto you, causing emotional disturbances and even physical ailments. Imagine trying to navigate your daily life while constantly feeling drained and on edge. This can affect your relationships, work, and overall happiness. On the other hand, when you master energy protection techniques, you create a barrier that keeps these negative influences at bay. You remain centered, calm, and able to handle whatever comes your way. The peace and vitality that come from having a protected energy field are immeasurable. It's not just about avoiding harm. It's about thriving and living your life to the fullest. Energy and psychic attacks are more common than you might think. These attacks happen when negative energies or intentions are directed towards you, whether consciously or unconsciously. It's important to understand that energy is all around us. And just as we can have positive influences, we can also encounter negative ones. Psychic attacks can manifest in various ways, such as sudden mood changes, unexplained fatigue, or even physical symptoms like headaches. They can come from people who are envious, angry, or simply unaware of the impact of their thoughts and emotions. By recognizing the signs of an energy or psychic attack, you can take steps to protect yourself. Awareness is the first step in defending your energy. Knowing what to look for and understanding that these attacks are real and can affect your well-being is crucial. Once you are aware, you can begin to implement strategies to shield yourself from these negative influences, maintaining your peace and strength. Grounding is the process of connecting with the earth to stabilize and center your energy. Imagine being like a tree with deep roots that keep it firmly planted no matter how strong the wind blows. Grounding techniques help you establish a similar stability. One simple method is to spend time in nature. Walking barefoot on grass or soil can help you connect with the earth's energy. Another effective technique is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. Feel the earth's energy rising through these roots, filling your body with a sense of stability and calm. Deep breathing exercises also aid in grounding. Take slow, deep breaths, and with each exhale, imagine releasing any negative energy down into the earth. Grounding helps you stay present and focused, reducing stress and anxiety. It's a powerful way to maintain your energy balance and protect yourself from external negativity. Shielding is like putting on an invisible armor that protects you from negative energies and psychic attacks. To create an effective shield, you can use visualization techniques. Close your eyes and imagine a bright, protective light surrounding your entire body. This light acts as a barrier, preventing any negative energy from entering your space. You can also reinforce this shield with affirmations. Repeat to yourself, "I am protected by a shield of light. Only positive energy can touch me." Another method is to call upon spiritual or divine assistance. Ask for protection from your higher self, spirit guides, or any benevolent forces you believe in. Some people find it helpful to use physical objects, such as crystals, for shielding. Crystals like black tourmaline or amethyst can be carried or worn as jewelry to enhance your protective shield. Regularly renewing and strengthening your shield ensures that it remains effective. Remember, the key to successful shielding is intention and belief. The more you believe in your protective shield, the stronger it becomes. Just as you would clean your physical body, it's essential to cleanse your energy field regularly. Cleansing removes any negative energy that you may have absorbed throughout your day. One simple technique is smudging, using sage, Palo Santo, or incense. Light the end and allow the smoke to waft around your body, starting from your feet and moving upwards. As the smoke surrounds you, imagine it carrying away any negative energy. Another effective method is taking a salt bath. Adding sea salt or Epsom salt to your bath water helps to draw out impurities and negative energies. Soak in the bath for at least 20 minutes while visualizing the water cleansing your aura. Visualization can also be used on its own. Close your eyes and imagine a bright, cleansing light washing over you from head to toe, dissolving any negativity and restoring your energy field to its pure state. Sound healing with singing bowls or bells can also be used to cleanse your energy. The vibrations from the sound help to break up and release any stagnant energy. Regular energy cleansing keeps your aura bright and clear, ensuring that you remain in a state of balance and harmony. Setting boundaries is a crucial part of energy protection. Boundaries help you maintain your energy by preventing unwanted influences from affecting you. To set effective boundaries, start by being clear about what you will and will not tolerate. This clarity helps you communicate your limits to others. Practice saying no without feeling guilty. Remember, protecting your energy is essential for your well-being. Visualize an energetic boundary around yourself, like a bubble or a wall, that keeps negative energy out and allows positive energy in. This visualization reinforces your intention to protect your energy. Emotional boundaries are just as important. Be mindful of how much emotional energy you give to others and ensure you have time to recharge. Creating a daily routine that includes time for yourself can help maintain these boundaries. By setting and respecting your boundaries, you create a safe space for your energy to flourish. Crystals and other tools can enhance your energy protection practices. Crystals have unique properties that can help shield and cleanse your energy. Black tourmaline is excellent for grounding and protection, while amethyst helps to purify and shield your aura. Carrying these crystals with you or placing them in your environment can create a protective field around you. Selenite is another powerful crystal that can cleanse your energy and raise your vibration. Besides crystals, you can use essential oils like lavender, frankincense, and sage for energy protection. These oils can be diffused in your home or applied to your skin with a carrier oil. Visualization tools, such as sacred geometry symbols, can also be used to strengthen your energy field. Meditating with these symbols can enhance your focus and intention. Combining these tools with your daily practices creates a robust system of energy protection that supports your overall well-being. Maintaining your energy requires consistent daily practices. Start your day with a grounding exercise, such as a few minutes of mindful breathing or a quick walk in nature. Set your intention for the day by visualizing a protective shield around you and affirming your boundaries. Throughout the day, take short breaks to check in with your energy. If you feel drained, use quick grounding techniques like deep breathing or visualizing roots connecting you to the earth. At the end of the day, cleanse your energy field with a method that resonates with you, such as a salt bath or smudging. Regularly practicing gratitude can also help maintain a positive energy state. Before going to bed, spend a few minutes reflecting on the positive aspects of your day and expressing gratitude. These daily practices create a routine that keeps your energy balanced and protected, ensuring you remain strong and centered. The mirror cycle is a powerful concept that can change everything for you. It starts with observing your current reality and understanding that it reflects your past decisions and beliefs. Instead of being stuck in a cycle of negativity, you can reverse this process. Begin by creating a clear image of what you want to manifest. Turn your back on the current reflection and focus on this new image. Hold on to this vision and watch for small changes as the mirror starts to reflect your new intentions. Confirm these changes by acknowledging them and expressing gratitude. This cycle requires patience and consistency, but as you continue, you'll see your reality transforming in alignment with your desires. Understanding and manipulating the mirror cycle allows you to consciously create the life you want, breaking free from old patterns and stepping into a new reality. Energy protection and psychic self-defense are essential practices for anyone on a spiritual journey, especially those who are chosen ones. By understanding energy and psychic attacks, grounding yourself, shielding your energy, cleansing your energy field, setting boundaries, using crystals and other tools, and maintaining daily practices, you can safeguard your energy and ensure your well-being. These techniques are simple yet powerful, and they can transform your life by keeping you balanced, centered, and protected. Remember, the mirror cycle shows us that our current reality reflects our past beliefs, but we have the power to change this by focusing on what we want to manifest. Embrace these practices, and you will create a life filled with peace, strength, and positive energy. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who can benefit from this message. Feel free to leave your thoughts, reflections, and experiences in the comments below. Take care and see you soon.